Right, welcome back. So M135i styling kit is now done. We had in another vlog, we had Auto ID, their new sister company Astro, come down, do some 3D printing of the car. 3D printing? 3D scanning is probably a better word. Then they've 3D printed a body kit for us. As you'll see in a bit of the vlog now, we did push them a little bit too quick on being able to get it done. Autosport show for us is quite a big one. We were on the Remus stand, so we wanted the car to be complete and ready. We were cutting it fine using their kit, and we did run out of time. They did bring a kit up for us to try, wasn't quite ready, did need a bit more work. So I know Joe did a bit of B-roll here for that now, just showing you what the kit will eventually look like. We've had a conversation with Jack, Auto ID. This will be priced above Maxton, but fundamentally underneath AC Schnitzer. So you'll have 3 tiers of pricing on body styling. So hopefully that's still to come. So things we did do in time for Autosport show was, number 1, black grills. Take your bumper off to do them. You could probably damage the other ones taking them out. We don't sell them, it's a BMW part. We got them on eBay, we've had a number of inquiries about it. So yeah, eBay part, BMW only so far, bumper off. We had the canards painted, is it canards? Airflicks? Jay's smiling, one of those. Rather than the champagne finish, we had them painted in black. The whole work was done by Colourcraft, bumper off, fitted the grills and painted those parts for us. Auto ID M4, M3 style mirror cap covers, yet again in black, to give it the sort of white and black theme. We've done it previously before on a number of different cars. I quite like it. I like white and black, pretty easy like that. Maxton saved the day in time for Autosport show. So on this car we have the V1 kit. I'm sure people have already seen pictures. I know Jay will probably put a picture somewhere of their car that they've done with the adjustable front splitter. I don't even know if they're going to manufacture that. We spoke to them a number of times at the show. They're still unsure, costings, etc. But it looks good as a showpiece, but this is probably a bit more practical. So this will be their version 1 front, version 1 front, version 1 sides, rear spoiler, which is still to follow, and their diffuser. Overall, the car just looks a lot more aggressive, and what's really good is the side skirt, the way it attaches, keeps the factory black side skirt, which actually makes it look a lot wider, which the car needed, complemented by the springs and the spacers. The rear diffuser, a really nice job they've done on that. It's basically just an enhanced version, gets rid of that sort of mesh grille, but works really, really well. Probably not so if you've got the standard exhaust, because yet again the drop down fins are quite thick and quite a bit deeper. They might swallow the original tailpipe, but maybe we'll see what one of them looks like in the coming future. And the front is just a bigger enhancement of the version once already on there, so that looks really good. So overall the car looks great. It'd be nice to see it with the spoiler on, but that's a styling kit done and a bit of colour coding so far on the M135i. There is more to come. We will be fitting the Astro kit whenever it is currently ready. I know we spoke to Jack and he's doing some bits on it, so hopefully we'll have some more stuff on that, and then we'll compare the two. And yet again, took it to the Autosport show, everybody complimented the car. Mr. Lewis is definitely signing up for doing the Motech edition cars. Well, that's another vlog because he's going to get the car soon. And that's it. Got to talk about the wheels and tyres. The brakes have been done. Forge want the car to do some development parts onto it as well. Goodridge want to do some braided lines onto it. So much more coming. So please subscribe, keep up to date, and anything else you want us to see us do with the car, please comment. For us, it's always good to have a bit of feedback of what you guys want to see from the vehicle, whether it's more racing against A35s or exhaust videos before on and off or whatever it may be. But please comment down below. Let us know what you want to see from the car. Thanks a lot.